Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Little Frenchy in Big Texas, and today the Little Frenchies here have a big package to open. And it's not only big, let me show you. It is big, it is heavy, and it is very pink. Like, have you ever received something that pink? Wow, it's quite something. So it's coming from Canada in addition, so it's a package that crossed the border.
Yeah.
And took, how long did it take to come here? I'm not even sure how long it took, because the Canadian Post had been on strike for maybe 2 months.
An hour's from strike.
Yeah, it's been a long time, let's put it this way. So very eager to open it. Take your bet on what's inside. Take your bet. What do you think? Because it's heavy. I mean, I would say easy. 5 kilos maybe? Does it have a weight here?
Maybe it has.
Yeah, actually it does say 5 kilos. So, yeah. Yeah, it's big and heavy. You want to try? Okay.
Yeah, I want to carry it.
Yeah?
You want to carry it?
I carry. Okay, let's open it. So I can already tell you who it's from, because coming from Canada,
Jennifer,
pink.
Not sparkles.
It's from Jennifer, not Sparkle. Oh, she likes the sparkles. Come on. It's from Jennifer Ocean Homestead. So please go check out her channel and give her some love. Watch a video, put a comment, say Little Frenchy send you out to her channel. She's shy of 1,000 subscribers, so it would definitely help her out if you could check it out. So it's a homesteading channel up there in cold Canada. So she's still waiting to be able to start the garden because it's too cold.
It's the 6th month of the year.
Besides, gosh, it's really well done. Besides gardening, she has some prepping videos as well. She's a moderator on my channel, so you might have seen her during my lives. Wow, she told me she couldn't fit it in a normal box, so she had to work it out, but it is, wow.
Breaking the pink here.
Yeah. This is quite a box, Jennifer. Okay. I've got the scissors, Sophie. Hold on.
I got battery scissors.
No, because no, that's
I got the kid scissors.
the kid scissors. No, but careful, girls. Don't. Okay, hold on. Let's take out the pink. Let's take out.
Tape.
Yeah, there's more tape inside. It's insane. The package is insane. I might fast forward that part because I'm not too sure how long it's gonna take. Angeli, don't do that. I don't want you to. Girls, careful, don't hurt. She put tape everywhere. Everywhere. Wow. Well, now we're seeing an actual box. We're getting into the actual box.
Yeah. Super strength. Power.
Girl power, yeah. Wow. Okay, I think we got it. We got it. We got the pink. And now this one, I need to be careful. I'm not too sure what's inside.
It's
It's an Amazon box. Okay.
Yeah. Lift it up.
Okay, hold on. Careful. Let me try cutting a bit here onto the additional tape. Wow. Let me tell you guys, she used all the tape she had in the house on that one. Huh? It's a lot of tape. And wow. Okay, Angeli, I don't want to have your scissors in my... Come on, careful, love, huh?
Careful.
Okay.
No more.
Wow. 10 minutes just to open the box, huh?
Yes.
It's, I rarely had such a complicated package to open, but it did cross the border, so, and made it, that's the thing.
You know, all that tape was worth it.
Yeah.
has to be worth it.
It has to be. Okay. Wow. More. Okay, hold on. Oh, we have a, hold on now. Hey. More. Wow. Okay, let me empty it. Let me empty it here.
There's a lot of trash on the
So
table.
first we have a very sweet. And the empty box is for Ricky. Wow,
wow.
Ricky is the cat. All right, let me put it down and show you one by one what we have in there. So the first one, the sweet card
Mountain
here.
of trash.
Thank you. No, I'm the one saying thank you here, Jennifer. Thank you. Wow, and it's a long card. Nice. I hope you have fun with all these goodies. I added extra stuff for fun and some teas you can try for the flavoring part of the kombucha. Wow. So the whole story here is that I drink a lot of kombucha and so does my daughter here, Sophie. And every time we have a live, we have a kombucha bottle in our hands. And Jennifer said she would help us to make good kombucha because I've always failed making kombucha here. Hold on, one by one here because there's a lot in the box. The first one here, Angeli, hold on. Ooh, kombucha and party entertainer. Okay. Woo, glass beverage dispenser, hand wash, okay. Make your own, okay. Iced tea, kombucha, sangria, okay. Nice, very nice. So that can be used for anything, not just kombucha, but better for kombucha. All right, so that's good. Hey, Angeli's emptying the box. What do we have here? A funnel and strainer. Oh, it's a whole package. Man. Oh, bottle. Okay, some brew and serve bottles. I have a few of those, but really nice. Man, Jennifer, it's crazy what you sent. Okay, hold on. Where is the SCOBY? Because that's the most important part. That is, I'm a SCOBY. I belong to Jennifer. Oh, no longer. Look at this. That is the SCOBY right there. So that's the piece, the important part. It's kind of, I can hear jelly inside. All right. Wow. What else? What do we have here? Filter or something. Hey, Angeli, don't. Hey, I'm on video. You don't need to. She took the bubbles and she's starting to do the bubbles. It's hard to resist the bubbles, right? What's that? The filter. Oh, no, it's to keep it in the dark. Oh, wow.
It's so
I
dark,
never had
it's so dark.
such a...
It's so dark I can't even see.
Okay, hold on, Sophie. Hold on. Oh, it's all the flavoring. Wow, fizzy matcha, sour watermelon, raspberry cream, blueberry fizzy matcha sours. Wow. So all these are flavoring, I believe, probably for the kombucha or for tea. Oh, it's flavored tea. Okay. Wow. Hold on, because we have more. Ooh, fruit tea, raspberry cream soda from Sipology. So this store, I will put the link. I'm going to check with Jennifer to make sure I put her link because she's an affiliate to that store. If you want to purchase, especially if you're in Canada, but I believe they also ship to the US, you can make a purchase and it comes at no cost to you and we will help her. So I will make sure to put her affiliate link to Sipology. Creamy root beer here. You've got, it's very, very nice. Wait, here we have more tea. Hold on, Sophie, one at a time. Magical fruit tea. Wow. Unicorn kisses. Wow. Unicorn kisses, what does it have? Apple pieces, pineapple, mango. It has mango. Papaya, butterfly blue pea flower, spearmint, raspberry. Wow. Okay, wait, hold on. You're giving me too much. Where was I? Here with more tea. Okay, that is the basic black tea as a base for the kombucha. Okay, that one. Okay, it does say Sipology, USA and Canada. So definitely you can, even if you're in the US, you can check it out. Check out her link. And I have the same here, the basic one, green tea for the kombucha as well. All from Sipology. All right, and together with all this, we have the instruction manual, which is like the important part for me because every time I messed it up in the past. So here with all this, I have no reason, no excuse to mess it up. Now that's pretty much all I got here. You got it right there. I got the whole kit. Incredible, Jennifer. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I was not expecting the whole box and so much. I mean, everything. You got me the distributor, the bottles, the SCOBY, the flavoring, the whole. Wow, I'm equipped now. And I know I need to watch. She also sent me the link to a few videos coming from that very same store explaining to you how to make it. Don't be silly over there. That's mommy's. So I'm gonna watch, make sure I do it right. And I have, oh nice, I also have a catalog from the store with pretty much everything they sell in that store. So check them out. Check out Jennifer at Jennifer Ocean Homestead. As I asked you before, please go and share. Show her some love here. Yeah, they got a lot of things. Premium matcha. It's very trendy right now, the matcha. Sweet matcha, the green thing. I'm not too much into matcha, but maybe I should try. Maybe I should. All the sweet matcha sticks. Maybe we do have some in there. We got so many of these sticks here. It makes me want to open. Let me open that one and see a bit what we have in there. Everything is so sweetly packaged here. That's a rainbow. Yes, it's rainbow. Let me check that one. That's the last one I did not open here. And so here I had
rainbow.
Naturally sweet tea, tangy peach, okay, with the blueberry, okay. But then here I have a lot. Yeah, I have the matcha. Look at this. I can try the matcha. Ooh, fizzy matcha sours, green apple. Aha. So how does that work? Whisk packet in 1 cup of cold water and serve immediately. That's interesting. Cold water, so it's kind of like a refreshing tea for the summer. That also is cold water. These ones are cold water. Watermelon is going to be cold. Okay. There were different packages. Maybe it's all the cold water on that side. And there's one package here. Latte, that's going to be the warm, hot water. Okay. That's very nice. Cinnamon churro chai. Wow. Guys, check out Sipology. I'll put the link in the description below. But Jennifer, thank you so much for all the love you sent us. We really appreciate, and we are ready, and no excuse now. Kombucha has to be really good on our lives next time.
Yeah.
So thank you all for watching. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel as well if you have not done so. Thank you. Bye.